This is a strawberry pig pickin cake. You got to make it. Okay guys, we're making a strawberry pig pickin cake. I have some strawberries here. You need a cup, 8 ounces of strawberries in some juices. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I don't have canned strawberries in juice, I do know they sell them, but I looked at Walmart and they didn't have any, so we're just going to improvise and make our own. So we're just going to slice up some good old strawberries. And I just have my little chopper here, and you can get these at Walmart for like about less than $5, I believe. I'm going to put in a couple tablespoons of sugar. We just want to draw out the sweetness, and we want to draw out that moisture. We want that moisture in our strawberries. Just going to kind of stir it up. Which is 1 cup. Okay, so we have our strawberries, and we may put a cup, I think I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of water through this to make our own juices. And we're going to set this to the side. I have 2 8-inch pans, and we are going to grease and flour them. And guys, I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I found my strawberry shirt this morning. You know, we moved, and I was going through some stuff, some of my short sleeve shirts, and I said, oh my gosh, I forgot about my strawberry shirt. And I said, okay, we're making a strawberry pig pickin cake. So the shirt is the reason we're making the strawberry pig pickin cake, and because it's absolutely out of this world. And everybody needs to make this for their mama for Mother's Day. It's spectacular. Okay, this is so simple. We are going to crack 4 eggs, 4 large eggs. Ooh, without that shell. Okay, I gotta wash my hands. Then we're going to put in 1 box of strawberry, perfectly moist strawberry supreme. Okay, let's put it right in. So just 1 cup of your favorite cooking oil. I would not use olive oil. It won't turn out right. And how do I know this? Because I've made it before. It has a horrible taste, okay? And then we have some strawberry extract. And so we need about a teaspoon of strawberry extract. Oh, that smells so good. I just love it. Okay, now we're just going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, now we have our 1 cup of our own strawberries that we made up. I'm going to pop them right in. That was quick and easy. Okay guys, we're just going to scrape our bowl around. Guys, I have a video coming out for Mother's Day, and you have to watch it. It is dedicated to my sweet mama, and it's about the things that she made me. I made 4 items that my mom made me when I was growing up that I absolutely love. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I want you guys to please watch it. I think you're going to love it. It's a very fun video. Okay, we're going to pour half our batter right into these 8-inch cake pans. And we do want to kind of make sure they are even. Okay guys, we are going to use cake strips. I just wet them and you just put them around. And the reason we use the cake strips is it makes the cake flat and the sides don't get so dark. And we are going to put these on a sheet pan because I don't like the bottoms too dark. Okay, I'm going to use a sheet pan for each one. Need to tighten that cake strip just a hair. Okay, we're going to get these in a 350-degree oven for around 30 minutes. So simple and so easy. Now we got to get on that wonderful, wonderful icing. I am using, because it calls for vanilla pudding in the regular picking cake, but I am using Sonic's. It is the pretty much the same size. It's 3.03 and this is 3.4, but we're still going to use this. We're going to use the strawberry Sonic strawberry shake pudding mix. Now see how it smells. Ooh, that smells good. Now we need a 20-ounce can of pineapple. Just put it right in. Okay, now we need 8 ounces of Cool Whip. A whole container of Cool Whip. We're just going to pop it right in. Let's mix this up. And it's pink. Light pink, but it's pink. But, you know what? I need to put in a little bit of strawberry extract. I love that. Oh my gosh, it does have a strawberry taste to it. Absolutely wonderful. And we are going to put on some fresh, we're going to keep these fresh strawberries and we're going to use some of these to go on top of our cake. We're going to put some plastic wrap on this and put it in the refrigerator, and it will get thick and absolutely scrumptious while we wait for them cakes to get out of the oven and then cool. I'm going to do the same thing with these strawberries because these strawberries are going to be awesome on our cake. Okay guys, our cakes are out of the oven and they're pink. All right, we're gonna put them on some cake cooling racks. Okay, I guess we're gonna turn them out. Wow, that's beautiful. Pop right out. Look at how beautiful, and those cakes are perfectly round. And see, look at the flat. That's why I use cake strips. And they're in my Amazon store and they're not very expensive. And I'm not doing that to tell you to sell you something. It's because everybody asks me about them. They're in my Amazon store and they're very inexpensive, but I really use them and I wear them out and they've lasted me years and years. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. I've got my icing out here. We are going to frost this cake. I have put the first layer, it's completely cool. And look at that beautiful layer. Now that is a beautiful layered cake. And see how flat it is? That's why I use the cake strips. Okay, we're gonna do the first round. Put just a few of these little strawberries on.
Okay, I put an extra dollop of icing right in the middle, and when we lay the top layer on, it will squish out, and that's exactly what we want want it to do. We're going to go ahead and ice this cake. This icing makes the cake look very rustic, very homemade, and that's what we want. We want a southern old-fashioned cake, and a picking cake is exactly that. There's nothing better than a picking cake except a strawberry picking cake.
Okay, we've got our cake all done up here. We're going to put on a little bit of strawberries right in the center. Now we're going to put the icing right on the top of those strawberries to cover them up. I have a few of strawberries just for garnish. We're going to put a big one on right there in the center, and that is it. This is our strawberry picking cake, guys. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'm scared to cut it, okay? Because I know I'll eat it. Woo, look at that. Wow. I'm definitely taking my mama some of this. And we have extra strawberries. You can put extra strawberries on it. Guys, this is a strawberry picking cake. You got to make it. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching, for commenting, for coming, hanging out with me in my kitchen today. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 6 p.m. And sometimes I'll spring an extra video in there. But you guys go. You are the best audience on YouTube. I can't imagine anybody having any better audience. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.